Have you ever seen what almonds look like before they come out the shell? So these are almonds. Obviously they're free because I'm just walking around. There's an almond tree right here. There's another one over here. And there's one right here. So I'm just collecting the almonds that fell so I can crack them and eat them. All right, so we're gonna crack one open. There's a couple shells. So first you have to remove the first shell. Don't worry, I'm not gonna get my hands. You don't want to go too hard so you don't break the almond, but it takes a while to get there. Once you hear that, you're getting close. There you go. I don't want to crack it. Here it is. I'm gonna crack it open so you guys can see on the inside. It tastes so good.